How to redeem Target eGift cards. First of all, simply open any browser and search for Target. Now simply tap on the Target official website. After opening the website, make sure that you log into your account. After you complete your login, simply tap on your user icon or profile icon and tap on your My Target or your Manage account. Now just scroll down to the payment section. Now if you have a physical gift card, you can locate the access code. Gently scratch off the silver coating on the back card of your code, and there in the card you will be able to reveal the secret access number or PIN which you can enter to redeem your gift cards. And at checkout you just have to hand the card to the store associate and they will swipe the card and type in the access number to process the funds. But if you have a digital e-gift card, then simply head back and under My Payments there will be a gift card section. Simply tap on gift cards and from here you will be able to add gift card. Simply tap on add gift card and type in your card number and access number. And for physical, here is also written that gently remove the metallic strip on the back of your gift card to reveal both the card and the access numbers, just like this. There you'll be find here. That's it guys. After you enter your card number and access number, simply press on add and add to checkout. Open the wallet tab again to show a barcode and scan this barcode at the register to instantly apply your gift card balance. And you'll also be see all of your gift cards under here. Now I don't have any gift card right here, but it will all be shown right here from where you can check the balances. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. Consider liking and subscribing to the channel.